Hello, today I want to share with you this 2024 Littlest Pet Shop Advent Calendar. I got this for my little girl and I think she's going to have an absolute blast with it this December. I'm going to dive in and show you all the features of this Advent Calendar. So it comes in this cute little decorative box, of course, and then it has this flap that folds down. It has a whole little scene that you can play with all the treasures that come in this Advent Calendar. Each day of the month has its own little box to open. Let's see here, on day 2, out comes a little surprise, a little mini blind bag, if you will. And now I will show you up close each individual item that comes in this box. Day 1 is this cute little kitty cat. Day 2 is this cute little marshmallow on a stick. Day 3 is this little pet collar with LPS for Littlest Pet Shop. Day 4. Day 5. Day 6, this cute little scarf. In day 7, day 8, day 9, day 10, 11, 12, this looks like a pile of snowballs. In day 13, day 14, this looks like a little thermos. Day 15, a little headband with a bow on it. Day 16, a little cute coffee mug. Day 18, Day 19, this is a little collar. Day 20, this is a little necklace. Day 21, another little marshmallow on a stick. Day 22, this looks like maybe some sort of flower cuff. Day 23, a little fire. And day 24. As you can see, this little set is so adorable that any Littlest Pet Shop fan would love to open during the month of December. If you were to ask me my short, sweet opinion on this, I would definitely say I highly recommend.